Hello and welcome! Today, we're going to talk about the top 5 best Brown Switch mechanical keyboards. And if you want to hear which ones are the top-notch picks, then stay tuned and make sure to watch till the end. Alright, let's jump right in. Number 1. The Corsair K95 RGB Platinum XT, whose per-key RGB backlighting and a 19-zone light edge across the top of the keyboard deliver dynamic and vibrant lighting effects with near-limitless customization. Precision-molded 1.5mm thick 104 to 105 key PBT double-shot keycap set resists wear, fading, and shine through years of gaming, while 100% Cherry MX RGB mechanical key switches provide the reliability and accuracy you demand. A detachable, soft-textured, cushioned leatherette palm rest offers the plush comfort to breeze through marathon gaming sessions. And you can gain an in-game advantage with 6 dedicated macro keys, fully programmable for complex macros and key remaps. Or swap to the included S-Key keycaps and program special streaming commands through Elgato Stream Deck software. Number 2 is the RK Royal Kludge RK918 wired mechanical keyboard with a 100% layout of 108 mechanical keys which are conflict-free, providing a smooth gaming experience. It features multimedia keys, a splash-proof design, it's non-slip, and ergonomic. It has 18 RGB backlight modes, 8 monochrome backlight modes, and 1 full-color backlight, as well as a large round surrounding side lamp. It's made from 2 layers of plastic molded into each other, providing a satisfying, quiet, tactile typing experience. Number 3. The Red Dragon K556, whose mechanical brown switches offer a satisfying and quiet tactile typing experience. It has 6 themed backlights with 18 lighting modes with adjustable brightness, as well as a 9-color single backlight. This keyboard is fully made of metal with a matte finish solid enough to protect it from scratching. It also features a custom-designed keycap that has been made shorter to reduce the time it takes for your actions to register. Its wide compatibility supports systems like Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, Mac OS X, Windows XP, Windows Vista, and so on. Number 4. The Cherry MX Board 3.0S wired mechanical keyboard with aluminum housing is a keyboard that stands for speed and performance. The textured aluminum housing and screw-in metal legs provide solid support, so it never flexes or slides across the desk. The high-density molecular structure of the spring's metal alloy is calculated individually on the key switch and consistently optimized for the key switch's specific pressure force. It's crafted to give you the winning edge on your PC or laptop. The brown switches give a slight clicky experience, and it also has a backlight. Number 5. The Dai-Raya DK61SE is a 60% mechanical keyboard with all functions implemented through the FN key combination. Brown switches are lighter with subtle tactile and audible feedback. This keyboard allows you to switch between 19 built-in backlight modes and adjust the backlight brightness and speed via shortcut keys. It offers a 1000 Hz polling rate with no latency for smoother typing. The scientific stare-up keycaps design brings maximum comfort, keeping your hand in a most natural state to minimize fatigue. And it's compatible with Windows 11, 10, 8, 7, XP, Mac OS, Vista, and Linux. This brings us to the end of today's video. All the products mentioned are linked in the description, so don't forget to check that, and I'll see you in the next top 5.